Kick off with Bo Badini celebrating the big number 15. Looked like we may have had a golf outing right there with the Titleist hat. Happy birthday, Bo, in Pittsburgh.
Vinny Piles celebrating birthday number
What up, Vin?
15 in Frontenac. Hope it's a great day for you, Vinny.
Happy birthday, Vin. Quentin Hetty, he's got his 17th birthday, a little Erie Red Devil pride right there. He is actually in St. Paul, but looks like an Erie wrestler on our hands.
All right. And Evan Sisney turning 17 years old this year in Girard, with love coming from Mom, Dad, Aiden, Marley, Quinn, Grandma and Grandpa Hansen, and Grandma and Grandpa Prettyman as well.
Katie Elliott, she has a 20th birthday. Well, a little trip to lake or an ocean. That reminds me of warmer times, that's for sure. Great picture there, Katie. This comes from Mom, Dad, Jason, and Tara. Katie's in Erie.
All right, in Parsons, Kansas, turning 21, it's time to celebrate for R.J. Schmidt.
Why are we supposed to take it easy on the guy? I got a note. It says, take it easy on the guy.
I don't know.
I don't know. Have a great 21st, RJ. I got nothing but good things right there. James Hart celebrating his 54th. Y'all can bring up this picture and look.
Maybe you were supposed to say
I'm
take
all
it
about
easy
just
on
rooting
this
for a
one.
team. It don't matter who you root for in my book. Happy birthday, James. I want you to have a great day in Parsons.
All right, 2 thumbs up. Happy birthday.
Maybe that's who we were supposed to take it easy on.
That's what I'm
not sure.
thinking. I'm thinking it was on the wrong line. Yeah. Let's see, Margie Sinclair turning 65 years old this year. What a great picture there of Margie in Pittsburgh.
And Charlene Lee, a happy 67th to Miss Charlene. She celebrates in Pittsburgh as well.
Lane Pinnock turning 19 years old this year. Lane is in Columbus. Bradley Hook is 46 years old in Joplin. Bill Wilson celebrating birthday number 71 this year in Weir, Kansas.
Kim Daughtery, she is celebrating her 61st. Happy birthday, Kim, in Minden Mines. Ewans, call now. It's been a while since I got on to anybody about not sending in a picture.
Now you got double trouble.
Yeah, I know. Double trouble right there. Melinda and Beth, happy birthday to both of you. Melinda's in McCune, Beth is in St. Paul, and Melinda, you know I'm singling you out on this for not providing any pictures. So I will make sure that next year at this time that we remedy that situation. Happy birthday, Melinda and Beth. All right, now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Live stream over the